Eating penis.
What the fuck? Oh, okay.
We got a new grill here. The fly mesh to get rid of all this ugliness.
It's very gross. It's almost as gross as you, but
yeah, almost.
Yeah, almost.
Not almost.
That's gonna look so good, dude. So bad news. Guess we didn't realize it was for 2018. So back with the 2017. So back with the 2017 back on. That sucks so much. We were wondering why it wasn't going on, but that's so unfortunate. Alright, so this is pointing out to be a very disappointing day. So I got some side skirts for my car. It turns out that they are way too long, and so I gotta cut them with an X-Acto knife. And here's one part of it. And it's not good at all. It's cracked. It's gross. This is like half of it, and then the other half is supposed to go on there, but I cut it, and I still have to cut it even more. So all we're doing right now is just jacking up my car, and then we're gonna put this part on, and then we're gonna put the other part on and see what it does from there. All right, so we've gotten a lot of it on so far. Now we're just finishing up this last piece. I cut it, not perfect, but enough. All right, y'all, so we got it on officially. I'm happy with how it turned out. I still gotta fix the front, but other than that, we're good. And once I fix that front, once I get that circular, then it'll be good. But now we're just gonna wash the cars. Shoo-wee. The cars are all clean, ladies and gentlemen. Looks good. I honestly, I like the side skirts. What happened? Oh. And there's Chris's new truck as well. So buddy has 2 cars at the age of 21 is actually insane. Anyway, that about does it for today's video, just because Chris's grill didn't work, so we'll make another video when he gets the new one in. But thank you guys so much for watching today. If you like today's video, make sure to drop a like, hit that subscribe bell. Yeah, I really got nothing else to say. Stay safe. Peace.